In this question, it is mentioned, consider a relation table R that is in 3NF but not in BCNF. That is in 3NF but not in BCNF. Which of the following statement is or are true? So first of all, you know the point about the 3NF and BCNF, my dear. What is the main case for a 3NF and what is the main case for BCNF? What is the definition or what is the condition for a 3NF and what is the condition for a BCNF? So my dear student, you know a relational schema R is in 3NF if every x tends to y, non-trivial FD. R is in 3NF if every x tends to y, non-trivial FD, satisfying the following condition, my dear. Satisfying the following condition. And what is the condition? What is the condition, my dear student? Either x is a super key, either x is a super key or y is a prime or key attribute. Y is a prime or key attribute, my dear. Okay. And what is the condition for a BCNF? What is the condition for a BCNF, my dear? Only one condition for a BCNF. In R is in BCNF if every non-trivial FD, every non-trivial x tends to y FD must satisfying the following condition. Must satisfy the following condition. And what is the condition, my dear? What is the condition? Only one condition is there. What is the condition? X must be super key. X must be super key, and it is mentioned in the question it is in 3NF but not in BCNF. 3NF but not in BCNF. Not in BCNF. Clear, my dear? Not in BCNF in x tends to A. X tends to A. It is mentioned x tends to A is in 3NF but not in BCNF. Clear, everyone? So what we can say, not in BCNF means what? Not in BCNF means what? X is not super key. Then you can say not in BCNF. Then you can say not in BCNF. Okay. So X is not a super key, but it is required कि 3NF में होना चाहिए. So it is mentioned 3NF में होना चाहिए, तो X सुपर की नहीं होगा, तो what we can say, then for 3NF क्या होना चाहिए? X सुपर की नहीं है, this condition fail. So for 3NF A must be key or prime attribute. A must be key or prime attribute because it is mentioned X is in 3NF but not in BCNF. So what we can say, when it is in not in BCNF, when X is not a super key. जब X super key नहीं होगा तो ये condition fail हो जाएगी, तो आपका BCNF नहीं होगा. But we required 3NF. So X is fail, then we have to depend on Y, and here Y is nothing, A. So what we can say, A is a prime attribute. Now you can read each and every option. First of all, I am reading A. R as non-trivial FD. Dependency x tends to A. X is not a super key and A is prime attribute. Yes, A is the correct answer. Read the option B, C, D also. And R has a non-trivial FD. X tends to A where X is not a super key and A is non-prime, my dear. Non-prime. That's why it is wrong. R has non-trivial FD where X is not super key and A is non-prime. That is also wrong. A cell in R hold a set instead of atomic value. This is not for a 3NF or BCNF. Clear? So A is the correct answer for this question, my dear student. Hope so you get it.